Guys, please join me. I want to make what we call breadfruit, popularly known as Ukwa in Igbo land.
So my people, I make sure I wash my okwa very, very well because I don't like seeing those black particles. So as you can see, my okwa is on fire already with enough water. So this is my sweet corn. I have sweet corn. I like, cooking okwa with sweet corn. So I have my dry fish. It's one of the active ingredients because it adds more taste to my okwa. So here is ungo. What is called ungo in Igbo land is better than potash. Ungo is better than potash. Potash is very harmful.
Yeah.
So after filtering my ungo, removing the chaff from the water, so I have added the water of the ungo. That's what I need to cook with my okwa. So this is it. I have to turn it a little bit, cover it, and allow it to boil again. So I came back to check after some minutes to make sure that my okwa is not burning under the pot. So as you can see, this is it. Stirring it carefully. So after I covered it, I've finished washing my fish with hot water. So I added it because my okwa is already done. So I added it, then came back again after leaving it to boil some minutes. I came back again to add a good portion of salt that will be enough for my okwa, depending on the amount of the okwa, like how many cups that you're cooking. So this also means adding my nor cube. Then I added enough nor cube. That's the one, it's 2 in 1. So I added the one of it. So I added it, as you can see in the video, I added the the Maggi. Ndị Igbo na-akpọ ya ihe ụtọ. So after adding it, I make sure I turn it so it can go around, you know. After turning it carefully, I had to cover it to allow it to boil again for some time. So after that, my okwa is already done. Oh, it's already done. So I have separated the water. So this is me adding the dry pepper. The dry pepper. So I added the dry pepper. Added my sweet corn already. So I've added my sweet corn. I added oil, a small portion of oil. So this is me now turning it. So make sure that all the ingredients goes around the okwa. So this is it. Actually, making okwa is not difficult. So I forgot to buy scent leaf because scent leaf is one of the active ingredients. If you use scent leaf in making okwa, you need the okwa. If you're eating the okwa and drinking the water, very sweet something. So I forgot to add scent leaf. So next time I will, use scent leaf and show you guys how I use my scent leaf in my okwa. So this is it. I have to make sure I turn it very, very, very well. Very, very, very well. As you can see, the okwa is very smooth now, very looking yummy. So the okwa is ready now, ready to be consumed. So guys, come and join us. Me and my wife, we are ready to eat our okwa and eat in peace. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you.